Was it, I guess the turning point was to figure out that you had something that would fit a case that no one else had on Amazon.
Well, that was a turning point for me, that I found the customer's pain point. I did this through analyzing the questions and answers. Obviously, you go to your competitor's listing, you look at the questions, you look at the reviews, and from there you understand the pain point of the customers with particular product. So my product was very similar, so I looked at competitors' products and things like that. That's how I found that people are looking for the phone cable that fits particular case, and then I analyzed more of this life-proof case. There are few brands that do these sort of protective cases, bulky cases, and then I started using those guys in my listing, title, bullet point, and description, and then my listing started ranking for those. So if somebody searches for iPhone charger cable for life-proof case, boom, my listing comes on page one, top, almost first few positions, like third or fourth. And obviously, once that happens, that's targeting the right audience straight away. So that those people looking for that particular product for that particular problem, they would end up buying my product, and that's what happened. So yeah, from that point, I launched few other phone accessories and then things like that. And then my aim was to, because of I got burned by Amazon once regarding this, certification. So my aim was to steer away from that category, and I ended up selling those listings, and that was probably 3 years back. I sold one of that listing was, for $30,000, and I still have the brand. I haven't sold the whole brand or account or anything like that, but I wanted to do a test on Flippa. I don't know if any of you know Flippa, but Flippa is a marketplace where you can buy and sell your entire account, your business, your listing, a little bit of this and that sort of thing. So I sold my listing, and I got good money out of that. So I celebrated my Christmas well that year. And then obviously I reinvested some of that money into other businesses. I've got a few other businesses with different business partners, and from that I learned a few things, of course, and I've learned a lot of other things in between from that point as well. It's not like I have always had a smooth road with Amazon. We all, as a student, you guys, and as a coach, we all have faced the problem with Amazon trying to cause problems to our account and growth. Yeah, so I guess that's my story in a nutshell.
That's exactly right. I mean, to know that and to understand your customer's pain point is really everything.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.